Hello friends, this is Hem Singh Patle. Welcome in 5 days, 5 minute, 5 habits challenge. I am going to share how you can build the habits, because if we change the habit, we can change our life. If we change our routines, so everything gets changed. So let's start with the habits. Ask yourself, whenever you are building any habits, any new habits, or you are breaking any bad habit, what you have to do, the first thing you have to ask yourself, why I want to build this habit? Why I want to build this habit? The second point is ask yourself the benefit. Why I want to build this habit? First question. Second question is, what are the benefits of this habit? For example, if you want to get up early in the morning, what are the benefits of getting up early in the morning? If I go for a walk every day, what are the benefits? If I read the books, what are the benefits? So first ask yourself why I need this habit or why I want to break this habit. Second thing, what are the benefits of this habit? So you have to ask this thing. Third thing is, once you come to know, once you are clear with your why, once you come to know about your habit, then visualize your future. Visualize if you are going for a walk every day, how would be your life looks like. If you are reading books every day, so how your life will be different in next 6 months, next 1 year. If you go for running every day, so visualize how will be your life looks like in next 6 months, next 3 months. So first ask yourself, what are the habits I want to build, what are the benefits, and visualize your life. If you are developing that habit or you are breaking any bad habit, visualize your bright future and visualize it every day. The fourth thing is track your habit. Why tracking is really important? We generally think, we human being generally think we can keep everything in our mind, but in reality it doesn't happen. We cannot keep everything in our mind. We cannot remember each and everything. So what is the option? Track your habits. Just make one habit tracker sheet, note down the number of habits you want to practice every day and just tick it out. Once you are done, just tick it out or cross mark or tick it out, because every day if you are tracking your habit, your focus is going over there. If you are missing or you missed out any habit, so automatically you can see from your habit tracker, I have missed out this habit for 1 day or 2 days. If you are not tracking, so what will happen? You will not come to know how many times you perform the behavior or how many times you missed out the habit. So track the habit. So the number one habit for today, the one habit which I am going to share with you today is plan your day night before. Like tonight you have to list down your key activity, key task that you are going to perform next day. So what you have to do, you have to take your pen and paper, pen and notebook, and just note it down the key task that you are going to perform tomorrow. So before sleeping, you have to accomplish this exercise. You have to write down the key things, key tasks that you want to perform tomorrow. It may be 3 tasks or 5 tasks, depending upon your capacity, how many tasks you can accomplish. Second thing, before going on bed, before getting sleep, be grateful for the day. Be grateful for each and everything. Once you go on bed and before sleeping, just close your eyes and submit the gratitude to God. Be grateful and thankful. Be grateful and thankful for each and everything. The next is, I release all the negative energy and emotion. So what you have to repeat, I release all the negativity and I release all the negative emotion and negative energy. I will have peaceful sleep. Relax, relax and relax. So what you have to repeat, I have a peaceful sleep. Relax, relax and relax. So this 4 activity you have to perform before sleeping, and this is your first task, your habit 1 out of habit 5. I believe you got some insight from this. So wish you good luck and just act on it. Thank you so much.